If you love azaleas and you want to add more native plants into your landscape, try to find some native azaleas. They are available at retail garden centers this time of year. Here we are in very early spring, and these are deciduous azaleas or native azaleas, often called honeysuckle azaleas because they have a very fragrant flower. They've got a lot of nectar, and of course that attracts hummingbirds and any of our butterflies and other pollinators. And these are just very unique with those tubular shaped flowers, a little bit different from what we're used to, but add such a different dimension, such a natural look to our landscapes. Now, these, like other azaleas, prefer an acidic soil, well drained, but they don't want to be too dry. You need to water these in times of drought. Now, they are typically in woodland settings, so you'd find them growing underneath pine trees. So when you plant these into your landscape, you want to make sure that they're getting partial sun, partial shade. They do prefer cooler areas. So when we're planting, we want to consider that. Maybe plant it in an area that gets morning sun and afternoon shade. Now, these again are wonderful native plants, don't have a lot of disease or insect pressures. They get about 6 feet in height and about 4 feet wide, and they're just very open, okay? And these can be pruned in the springtime after they're done blooming, fertilize in the spring, and enjoy this native azalea for your landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.